Hey Pisces, welcome to your zodiac reading, and this is going to be your reading for the month of December. And how I'm doing this is a little different from my usual zodiacs now. I'll first be looking at the first 15 days, the energy, the overall theme, the remaining 15 days, and separately look at your career as well as your relationships. All right, so let's begin. Let's see the first 15 days of December for Pisces. First 15 days of December. How does it look like? In the midst of a decision, the grass is always greener on the other side, but actually it is not. You think it is greener, but it is not. I see you struggling a bit in a gray zone of your life. You feel a little worried. You want to come out of it, but you cannot fully come out of it, Pisces. You will always be there, okay? There are certain moments of happiness here and there that will come and rejuvenate you, but this is something that you'll have to deal with, because this is the place that you are at between worlds at this point, and it's important, okay? You have to know. You have to see, you have to go through this. You have to go through this means you have to go through this. There's no other option. Now, sometimes there's a lot of karma and stuff involved over here, but you have to go through this because there's no other way. Okay? Now, having said that, there's still happiness around you. There's still things around you which you can feel happy about. There are still things that can keep you going. Okay? I'm seeing that it's the way you look at things. Perception. You got to work on that perception, and that is what you're going to be doing. You are in the midst of a decision. You don't know if the grass is greener on the other side or not. Okay? But it's okay to dwell in it till you don't come to a conclusion. Alright? So this is for the first 15 days. Now let me look at the remaining 15 days for you. Remaining 15 days of December, how does it look like? Remaining 15 days, Pisces. Relax. I think you will stop thinking and you will realize, oopsie, you have to leave something, which is fine, but that is only going to come after you dwell in this. Then you take a nap and you'll figure it out. Eventually, I see a new path which will pull you, which you'll probably want to take. I also feel that the remaining 15 days of December, you will be a lot at peace. Right now you are conflicted. I think in the first 15 days you will be conflicted, but the remaining 15 days I feel that you will be quite calm And it'll all happen in the flow. You'll probably decide on something in the flow. You'll probably go in it in the flow, is what I feel. And then you'll understand that there was no point of me being so much stressed, not knowing what to do. You'll come to that conclusion, but you have to go through this grind, is what I feel. Now let's look at your career and finances for the month of December, Pisces. Your career and finances, King of Swords, Ace of Swords. I think you'll have, you'll speak to someone about money and you feel you've been misled. You will have that conversation and you'll feel happy and you'll feel free. Okay, I think around your finances and your career, I feel that finances, I think there is some speaking that needs to happen, which will happen, and it will liberate you. I think you feel sad about it, but it will liberate you and you'll be in a much, much happier space than what you are at currently. Okay. I also pick up that yes, it is difficult. Yes, it is not easy, but you have to be straightforward about something. So if you're connecting with this reading, you would know what I'm talking about. I am only picking up energies. So the way you want to feel will only come if you're very straightforward about certain things. Now, I think you haven't been this way. Okay, you haven't been very straightforward about what you want or how you want it. You haven't been straightforward, which is why I think these problems are coming up. Okay, so you don't have to worry. You have to let it go. Okay, now let's look at your relationships for the month of December. Okay, this card was here, so I'll just take it because I feel that somewhere you will come out of this victorious if there is something not going right for you. Let's see. Your relationships for the month of December. Simply love. I think you'll connect with your child or someone smaller, someone younger, who will actually make you feel better. You'll become a little open. I think there is a moment of realization of certain things which will make you feel happy. You'll become more open. Heart chakra. Yes. You'll become more open. You'll become more stable in your relationship. I'm seeing a relationship strengthening between two people who have a huge age difference. Now, I mean, I was looking at relationship in terms of love, but this can also be your child, or this can be someone very young for you. Like someone who's quite younger than you. Okay. So I pick up that in general, you would be very stable in your relationship aspect for the month of December, the whole of December. Your relationships with people will be good. Okay. Specifically, if you have a kid, then with the kid, your relationship will be very good. Okay. That is what I'm picking up for you, Pisces. Now, the thing is, you got to stay strong. All right. Now, let me see what is the guidance for you. Blessing of a higher perspective. You're releasing rigid preconceived notions about yourself, another person, or a situation. This has helped you have an open mind. You or another person involved has transformed and changed for the better. A new happy phase of your life can begin if you allow it to begin. So if you're stressing too much over certain things, don't. Okay? Allow it to happen. If you stress too much around something, you actually block that thing from happening, which you don't want to. Okay? So don't block it. Let it happen organically. Let it happen on its own. Okay? Alright, Pisces, that's what I have for you. I hope this reading helped you. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And do let me know in the comments if this reading resonated. Alright? I'll see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye-bye.